Blue Acorn responds, PPP SBA update. Once again, my name is Quentin Banks with your latest and your greatest information. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you are, number one, entered in the giveaway, and number two, you are in tune with the latest and greatest information. I appreciate each and everybody for watching, but yeah, let's get right to this. Let's go. PPP loan SBA update. My name is Quentin Banks. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Make sure you spread some positivity, drink some water, do something for your body, okay? Do something for your body. But anyways, we got an update. This is strictly from a member of my channel. Once again, I appreciate each and everybody that's a member of my channel. I appreciate you guys. 110 appreciate you guys. You guys know me. I am providing the latest and the greatest information, as I always do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the best way you guys will actually be updated with the latest and the greatest information. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. So here's an update. I want you guys to drop your comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. I know a lot of people have been getting funded, and then I also know a lot of people have been waiting. So where do you guys stand? Also, let me know your lender and your bank. That way I can try to help you guys. I have a lot of your lenders and a lot of your banks watching my content, if you guys don't know. But before we start, I do want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Chime. Yes, Chime. If you guys want to download Chime, feel free to use the link in my description. You guys will actually receive $75 for downloading Chime. It is very, very simple, very, very easy to download, very easy to use. You guys will receive a checking, a saving, and a credit builder account, and a card as well. Now, with that credit builder account card, it's basically like a secured credit card. You actually put money on there, and the money that you spend each and every month, it will go towards your credit. It will help build your credit. So it's a win-win situation. You're not getting a loan or getting lended money from another bank. You're using your own money to actually fund. You're funding yourself, and then you're actually crediting yourself at the end of the month. So it's a win-win situation. If you guys want to build your credit, then of course you'll get a savings account and a checking account. So that's very, very simple. I hope you guys pay attention to this video. And also, if you guys ever got any more questions, you can always go to my channel, and I got this broken down in playlists. So I got a playlist for PPP. I got a playlist for Chime. I got a playlist for stimulus checks, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get right to this update. And like I said, this is from a member. They begin to say update. Okay, so I'm currently in this status. I signed my documents on 6/2, and I select to receive the prepaid card because my bank wasn't accepting PPP loans. Does anyone know how long it takes to receive the card and what it looks like? Also, how long will this process actually take? So they did begin to provide a screenshot, and just like they basically asked the question, it actually says right there after you sign your documents for it to actually be completed. It does take 7 to 10 days. Now it does look like they're currently and the funds are being transferred to your account phase. Now we do know a lot of banks and even a lot of lenders are not accepting any more PPP. Banks have stopped accepting those PPP loans for whatever reason, and a lot of lenders have ran out of PPP funds. So it looks like it's been a loss on both ends. But if you guys want to receive the cash card through Blue Acorns, this is the way to go. This is basically the only route to go. Now it does look like there's no date. Actually, there's a date. It says 10 or 14 days after app submitted, and that seems to be accurate through what everybody has been telling me. 10 days or 14 days. Now, but if you guys take that in hindsight, that is almost 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So 2 to 3 weeks, as I told you guys in the previous video, they go off of business days. You're dealing with a business. If you are a business, you're dealing with business days. So 10 to 14 days, meaning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's 5 days. That's 1 week. It's not Saturday. It's not Sunday. You can't include those days. Now, some people have been getting funded on Saturday, but at the end of the day, you cannot include those days, guys. You can't include those days. So that being said, 10 to 14 days. So 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks, which is nothing wrong with that. But 2 to 3 weeks, guys. And it says estimated Estimated days, 10 to 14 days after app is submitted. We submit your loan to the Federal Reserve to start funding process. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days to hit your account, guys. So with that being said, be patient. That's all I can tell you guys, is to be patient, because I know a lot of people have been they've been wanting to rush this process, but you can't rush this process, guys. You guys just got to be patient and check your emails, because your email should actually provide tracking for your cash card according to Blue Acorns. So if you guys were wondering how soon it'll be, all you guys got to do is check your tracking, guys. So check your tracking. That is an amazing thing to do, and check your emails, because Blue Acorns, they do tend to send emails, and those emails will keep you guys PPP loan, SBA update. Womply responds. Yes, Womply responds. My name is Quentin Banks. I'm here to bring the latest and the greatest information, especially when it comes to your SBA PPP loan update. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Once again, like and subscribe, and let's get right into this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm going to give you guys the latest and the greatest information as always, but first, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are updated every single time I drop a video, and you guys already know I'm coming with these direct messages from your financial institution. SBA, PPP loans, they are giving me all the information, so you will hear it first. That's why you guys want to subscribe and like. But yeah, let's get right into this, and this is strictly from Womply. A member of my channel sent this to me, and this is the latest and the greatest update. And they began to say on May 28th, 2021, the SBA stopped accepting PPP applications because the PPP program ran out of funding. If your application has not been approved by this point, please visit fairppp.com to tell President Biden and your representatives you want and need more PPP funding. So that's the website right there. Let's say if you guys did not get funded, or you guys are still waiting to get funded, this is probably the best way to do it. And if you're still waiting to get funded, that doesn't mean you're not going to get funded, but it looks like they want everybody to go to this website and talk to President Joe Biden and the representatives, and send you a letter or some type of, I don't know what it is. So you guys need to go there, and if you guys have not been funded or in the process of getting funded, and they begin to say Womply is still Womply is still accepting applications in the hopes that congressional leaders will deliver more funds to PPP efforts. You can have your voice heard by going to fairppp.com. So I didn't think we was ever going to get to this point, but obviously, you know, we've heard other banks and other lenders talk about their funds being exhausted, or the funds running out. Now, I didn't really think it was a true thing, you know, at first, because I just thought it was just a simple way of them stating they wasn't accepting any more applications. But it does look like there's a website for this, that fairppp.com, and you can actually send either documents or write a letter to Joe Biden, the representatives, and tell him basically to speed up this process. Now, we all know, you know, as of May 31st, that was the last day for accepting those applications. But if you got your application in, let's say May 29th, May 30th, we all know this is what they're talking about. And I understand it was still late, but you guys still met the deadline. So that's where I was getting at, where I get it was still kind of late, but you guys still met the deadline. And meeting that deadline doesn't mean you don't, you're not going to get funded. That's just really mean that hopefully with the fairppp.com, that will actually give you guys some time, give you guys an actual time to get funded, because we know funds is exhausted, there's no more funds, but that doesn't mean, you know, your application won't be accepted. Now, the third thing Womply began to say is our lenders are still working hard to get everyone who has been approved funded. They will not start working through PPP loan forgiveness until July. So no matter what they are talking about, as far as Joe Biden or the Congress representatives, they are stating that Womply is still working through July to push those payments through. So that's actually some good news for you guys and a lot of people who are submitted their applications, still waiting on those applications. That is some good news that Womply is still working through July to actually push those through. So an extra month to actually push those through. That's really good news. As soon as we have additional updates, we will let you know via email. So that's why it's very, very important. As I said, you guys want to check your emails. You guys want to constantly check your emails, even email them, so don't be afraid to email them, try to find a number through Womply. But I will say, and just like they confirmed, if you are or have been, let's say, processed or waiting for SBA to get approved, funding, all that good stuff, just know they are still working as far as pushing that through. Now, if I was you guys, I would still put in that fairppp.com, as well as putting in still waiting. As we talked about in the other videos, it's basically a waiting game. That's all that we can do is basically wait. I don't know exactly how long that's going to be, but all we can do is just wait. Wait and be patient. Now, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions below. As I talked about, I have a lot of financial institutions who watch my content, and they will be happy to help you guys. So feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Also, drop up your updates. If you guys got updates as well, make sure you drop those updates below. Once again, my name is Quentin Banks. I'm here with your latest and greatest information. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. You should be good, guys. And if you guys don't know, a lot of people have been getting funded. As I mentioned, people have been commenting, telling me they have been getting funded. So that's also a good thing. It's also good to know, people are getting funded, considering it's been a month or two. I know a lot of people have been waiting 2 months, 3 months to get funded. So it's pretty good to hear that people are getting funded. And you guys let me know exactly what bank you guys are getting funding with as well. Now, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. As I always say, I'm here to help you guys. Other financial institutions and banks watch my content as well. So you may have Chime, you may have different institutions that watch my content as well. Now, if you guys got questions, drop them below. They are going to be responding to you guys in the comment section. So I'll leave that open discussion in the comment section, because it does seem like they will be responding to you guys. Now, if you guys are in this similar situation, what do you think is the next step? What do you think should go on, next? Because a lot of people were stating, I've been waiting 11 days, I've been waiting 15 days. I don't know exactly what I should do. But I do know, you are in the system. So even if it passed May 1st, obviously, you should still be in the system, guys. So don't really worry. But like they always say, you guys got to be patient. You guys got to be patient, because you never know. You may wake up